Junior. Don't call me Junior yet. Junior, we must get you named, or else the curse of the magical fruit of Christ will kick in. If the curse of the magical fruit of Christ kicks in, then we will all die. You understand? You must get laid, Junior.
Okay, then.
The woman? Yes, the woman. What else with? I hate the locals. I know you. Yes, right, got it.
Oh, hi.
Hey, hi. Ooh, Dad, what about him? No, you must get laid with a woman. Well, hey, can I put my penis in your vagina? Julia!
What?
You can finish my vagina.
Oh, I got drunk. Oh.
Yeah.
Just drop in, maybe.
Okay, Junior, I'm driving to the past. Okay, Junior, I'm leaving. And whenever I come back, you have better gotten late. But Dad, wait. I don't know how. You're a fucking virgin. It's like you got laid already. I need you to tell me how. Fine. Fuck her on the back. I'll sit and tell you how. Take off your pants, Junior. What? Take off your pants, Junior. I'm just gonna pull them down. That'll work. Dummy. What do I do now? You see the hole?
Yeah?
What it is?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is great.
Junior, the naked Elsie is coming. You have to come fast. No, but she's not ready. Who gives a fuck about her, Junior? Come. Oh, yeah. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, we gotta go. Naked Elsie. Oh. Junior, we have to remove the curse. We make a home and take our relics to the museum.